10-4, 64 counts, 4 walls, improver level. Weight on the left. This dance is written on single counts, 1 step, 1 count. So I'll just show you the steps in sections and do the counts all together after. Section 1, heel, hook, step, flick with slap. 2 step hitches, total making half turn. Step, quarter hitch, slap, quarter step, hitch, slap. Next 5 sections are all facing 6 o'clock. For easier watching, I'll show them facing 12. Repeat the section 1. Step, hook, step, flick. Step, hitch quarter, quarter, hitch. Section 2. Step left, forward, toe in. Toe out, toe in, toe out. Heel, toe, flick, cross. Section 3. Left foot, side rock, recover, cross hold. Weave, side, behind, side, cross. Section 4. Right toe, heel, cross. Left toe, heel, cross. Big step right back and drag left, clap hands vertically. Section 5. Left foot, coaster step forward, hold. Right foot, rocking chair, forward rock, back rock. Section 6. First 4 steps. Option 1. Point right, flick, point right, hitch forward. Option 2 is point with 3 flick and slap. Point out, flick behind, flick out, flick forward. Continue. Stomp forward. 3 bounce, making total half turn. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Weight on the right. Now I will show you the first 6 sections. Start facing 12. Section 1. Heel, hook, step, flick. Step, quarter hitch, quarter step, hitch. Section 2. Stomp, toe in, out, heel, toe, flick, cross. Section 3. Left foot, side rock, recover, cross, hold, weave, side, behind, side, cross. Section 4. Toe, heel, cross, left toe, heel, cross. Back, drag with clap. Section 5. Left coaster step hold, right foot, rocking chair. Section 6. Point, flick, flick, flick. Stomp, bounce, bounce, bounce. Now facing 12. Section 7. Left foot, back touch, open body to the left. Step, quarter brush. Now facing 3. Wind with touch, side, behind, side, touch. Section 8. Stomp right to the right diagonal, heel, toe, heel. Stomp left to the left diagonal, heel, toe, heel. And start again. Count. First wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wall 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wall 6 with tag and restart. Wall 6 start facing 3 o'clock. Wall 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. The next 4 counts, slow down with the music. Slow, side, behind, side, cross. Now add tag. Out, out, right, left for the lyrics. And over. Slowly bring hands up. And slowly bring hands down. 4 snaps. Up, up, down, down. Then restart. Wall 7. Wall 7 will finish at section 7 after back touch, step, quarter brush, side, behind, side, touch, stomp to the right, end of dance.